मिरामारच्या रोटरी क्लबान तशेंच सुपर क्रू हांच्या जोड पावलान सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपा खातीर कळंगुटे नीलम दी ग्रेट ह्या हॉटेलांत पॅकेजींग आनी मार्केटींग वर्कशॉप घडोवन हाडले. दर्पणा आटलेन सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाच्या बायलांनी आपलो प्रॉडक्ट बाजारात हाडून कसो विकचो हाचेर मार्गदर्शन केलें.
स्वयंपूर्ण नारी आत्मनिर्भर बायल ही जड गणन जायत वचपी समाजाचो फाटीचो कणो ही मोख मुखार दवरून ही कार्यावळ कळंगूटचो पंच सुदेश मयेकाराच्या सुपर क्रू ह्या पंगडान घडोवन हाडली. कळंगूटची बायलां तशेंच अप्रशिक्षीत भुरग्यां खातीर वेगवेगळ्या मळावयली कुशळटाय आनी ज्ञानाचो विकास करपा खातीर सुपर क्रू वावुरता. ह्या पंगडान कळंगुटे बायलां खातीर घडोवन हाडलेलो पॅकेज डिझायनींग हो तांचो स्टार्टअप प्रोग्राम. ह्या उपक्रमाक बरोच प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो. ह्या शिबिरांत बायलांक मार्केटींग तशेंच डिझायन स्ट्रॅटेजी शिकयली.
सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप त्यांच्या वांगडा काम करता करता एक खंय तरी डिफिकल्टी कळून येयली की प्रोडक्ट आसा पूण हाव टू सेल इन द मार्केट रादर दॅन बारीक बारीक ज्यो कंपनी आहा बरी फॅन्सी पॅकेजींग करून ते व्हरून दिता आपल्या शॉपारान ते डू बिजनेस. वॉट वी जस्ट स्पोक आय थिंक लास्ट वीक we came on a concrete conclusion that we'll do something. This is just a start. Packaging and marketing for self-help group. जर तर तुम्ही बारीक गरम मसालो केलो आम्ही कितें करता एक बेश्टे पोतयेन घालता आनी तो पूण मार्केटान जेन्ना वयता तेन्ना वी नीड टू बी प्रिपेर्ड. वी नीड टू टेल बाबा दिस इज आवर प्रोडक्ट. आतां फॉर एग्जांपल कालांगूट इटसेल्फ इज अ ब्रँड ऑल ओवर इंडिया एंड ऑल द वर्ल्ड. धरून वच इफ वी रजिस्टर अंडर कालांगूट नेम आनी वी whatever product you do at home हाडून त्या ब्रँडा अंडर जर आमी विकलो जाल्यार खंय तरी आमची सस्टेनेबिलिटी उरतली. तितून आयज जो आमी मॅडम येयल्या आमकां सांगपाक तेंकां तितून इन डिटेल जर तर इफ पॉसिबल इन डिटेल इफ यू कॅन गो टू 15 days गुड कोर्स ऑफ पॅकेजिंग एंड लेबलिंग whatever infrastructure we can provide. Our vision is to just help sustain our women. तितून स्वयंपूर्ण नारी जे आमी म्हणटा एज आय अर्लियर ऑल्सो सेड वुमन इज अ बॅकबोन ऑफ द हाऊस. शी इज अ मल्टीटास्कर. शी कॅन डू एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग.
Health and we also have got women and child development. We have also community and economic development. So under community and economic development, one of the areas is we try to get the women together and actually explore their potentials. And we build the capacities of women because, as you know, women are very resilient human beings, right? We can handle. They are also we can do multitasking, and obviously it's understood that many of us say that they are homemaker, kai karna, but it's not that. You have to handle your home and then you have to take care of your business also. So all these years there were people were thinking that women can do only homework, housework. But along with housework, when the women starts to contribute something to the house in financial aspect, not because for the house only, it is actually her independence that she will create. So through that independence comes stability to that, and they also start exploring new business enterprises. And that is what we need to, as Rotary, we want to strengthen these grassroots level approaches, so that everybody, all women are self-sufficient and they have the capacity. We just need to give them a helping hand so that reach out to them and promote whatever is possible from our end. Now, one of the things that normally we see, self-help groups, they have a lot of products, variety of products, which some of you all must have already brought today. I'm sure, we are hoping to see some of the products. So when you come with the products, it is like the main ingredient is the quality, of course. But with the quality also comes how you present it to people, right? If you want to promote it to people. So that comes the factor of packaging. So all these years we have noticed that people, women have got quality products, but how do we promote them? What are the ways in which we can package and promote them? This is what was lacking, right? So today we thought that we should stress on this aspect where women can be actually brought, we can bring all the women together and tell them what is possible in packaging and how you can market it so that your business can grow. So today I approached a good friend of mine, Darpana, who happens to be an architect, but we didn't know that she was also into, promoting packaging. So I got to know that she's doing it, and I was very happy that it was Darpana. So today we have got Darpana Atle, who's going to be a resource person, and she's going to talk to you about packaging and how marketing can be done for your products. And subsequently we'll have a session on workshop where you will be distributed into groups and we can actually take it forward. So she will tell you all in detail what is to be done. So yes, today we are hoping to have a good session with all of you all.
Report Goa 365.